Hello everyone, it is time for another unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing the Synco XTalk XMax wireless intercom system. Now, in full disclosure, this is a sample unboxing. The company made contact with me to see if I wanted to review it, create any content. Here we are. Caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting to get any samples. Now, just as a quick history, I've been in the AV industry for 30 plus years, and since the beginning have always used headset systems. That's a staple if you are working in a TV studio operating camera or operating camera at a conference. And so I have lots of experience using intercom systems. And on top of that, for the last 10 years, I've had my own wireless intercom system to produce my own shows. That system's not great. I hope this will be an upgrade. So when they did make contact, it was going to be useful for me. I have a job coming up tomorrow in which I could use two, and then actually if these are good, I'll be spending my own money to buy 3 more for another conference in 2 weeks from now. But anyways, as a quick comment, the only thing that I think I know so far is that the XMax 2 is not actually the model number. You can get an XMax 5, and that appears to have 5 in the kit. XMax 2 is 2 in the kit, and then the XMax is just 1. So XMax 2 doesn't refer to the second generation as far as I can tell. So let's take a look at these and open it up. All right, and so Synco XTalk XMax 2, let's open these up. And right off the top, we have some protective foam. We have a warranty card. We have some stickers, perhaps to label and identify the headset, not sure. Instruction manual, always read those. I'm not sure if you're an instruction manual kind of person. And then next we have some pouches. And these look like they are, ooh, that's nice. That's like a velvet. And so these are reusable pouches to store these. That'll be nice. This is not going to be a review or first impression, but just my gut says these are actually pretty sturdy. So I've got high hopes for those. Second headset in a similar reusable bag. And same thing. And there's nothing else in here. Right in the middle, we have a LCD USB charger with 2 batteries. I wonder if these are the only 2 batteries you get, or if there's a pair in here. Let's take a look. Let's see. Oh, nope. So you'll get 2 batteries to start with. Hopefully that'll be enough for my job tomorrow. And we have a USB for the USB charger, and foam ear cups, which don't appear to immediately fit these in any way, shape, or form. So perhaps you can take off the padded sound isolating ear cup and put in this, and perhaps even make it one-sided, which would be nice. But again, I have no idea. Anyways, that is your unboxing of the Synco XTalk XMax series headsets. I will come back with a review if they're good, and again, I'll let you know if I spent my own money to get 3 more.